This is my expenses app I've named Expensease, and I'll show you its features in this video. For example, turn to log into Bob, put in the wrong password. Let's try again. Again, let's create a new user. Any username and password as long as they are not duplicates. Let's log into that. Now this user will have no data, as I just created them. I'll log into an account with data. So this is the expenses page, and what you can do is you can add a new client, such as the recently added user, for example. You'll find them in the client list. Set a date for the expense, an amount, type, payment method, and a reason. You can upload a receipt. However, if you do not fill in the reason, as you can see, fields are not full, so you must fill in the reason. Wonderful. You can take a photo of the receipt, or you can upload a receipt. I will upload that file. And finally, save the expense. Also edit expenses. Hold experiment. Yeah. This is the expense as a JSON file. It's the receipt, and you can change the amount. For example, to that and reason. And if you save your changes, apps being a bit slow, there we go. And then you can also delete them. For example, that receipt. Finally, you can make a report on only expenses in the expenses page. March is good. 7th maybe. What to now? And include receipts. If you generate a report, it will generate what on all receipts, on all expenses, including their receipts. on OCR, that receipt. This one, for example. A bit. There is the raw text of the receipt, and then it will extract the date and total of this receipt. You can confirm this output looks correct, and then save that data. Next is the mileage page, where you can add a journey, for example, that date. From here to there. Reason. $100-mile walk, or let's go. I should save that journey. The journey will update in the View Journeys page. However, the app is slow, but we'll save it in there. And also you can, of course, delete a journey, which I will do with pi. So I'll just delete. And it will be gone from the list. Next, backup file, database file specifically, and it downloads you a backup database file. Finally, a report on the mileage first. Oops, scroll up. March 5th to now. All clients detailed, and I will print it to, I'll output it to on screen. These are the mileage, total miles, and the total cost. You can also download a PDF, download there, or now we'll do this one with Expensease instead. You can email it to an email of your choice. For example, my email. Enter. That's the receiver email. And generate the report. Wonderful. Now, if I check my emails, I've just now received a detailed expenses report on all expenses. That is all the features of my app. Thank you.